all we have left to do is create our policy pages, create a navigation menu, create the footer menu, and we can go ahead and take off the password and go public with our site and hopefully start making some good money. So here is the Shopify dashboard again. And all you have to do is go to settings and go to where it says policies right here. So when you go to policies, you can literally generate your stuff by like a return policy using the template from Shopify. So you can create from template and boom, it just creates all of this stuff for you. And you can then go in and tweak, remove the parts that don't apply to you and just make it, personalize it. Where it says insert return address, you can put in your address here. Okay. And then you hit save. And then go to privacy policy, create from template, and boom, done. So you can do this, or you can even use something like ChatGPT and generate a privacy policy for you. We live in a day and age of AI. Everything is so simple. Like you can't worry about content when AI tools can give you the head start and then you can personalize it. For an actual store, take time and read through some of it and see where it says insert something. There you can go ahead and use like personalize things there. So shipping policy, literally ChatGPT can get you this ASAP. Just go to ChatGPT and say, give me shipping policies, but you have to make it something that, for you, how you fulfill your orders. So if it takes 2 days to process, this is where you're going to type it in. Hey, thank you for shopping our store. It takes 2 days to process your orders and 3 to 5 days to arrive most locations in the USA. Whatever the shipping policy is, this is where you type it in and you can tell ChatGPT, give me a shipping policy and these are my times of processing, my times, the typical time of arrival, what we ship with, UPS, USPS, whatever, DHL, and it's going to generate for you a nice shipping policy. Generative AI, it's all about knowing how to prompt it properly and you get the results you're looking for. And then the contact information, you can also put this in here. So I'm going to leave these as all saved and I'm going to X out of here. So if we go to where it says pages on the sales channel, we might not see the policy pages popping up here, but they actually exist. And I'm going to show you how to add it to your navigation bar. Now, alternatively, instead of creating it on the policy, generating the policy pages, you can actually create a page here and call it your privacy policy. And then you can take whatever you got from ChatGPT, post it in here, or shipping policy, the same thing. Paste it in here, and then it creates a page which we're going to link to the navigation menu. So take your time and do all of these. Now I'm going to leave this page because I did the generation method. Following up, you have this contact us page. We can click on it. This is already created and call it contact us. This template here of contact pages, all you need is to just have this and you would have your contact us page. Let's view the page and it generates something like this. So it's already done for you. We're going to add this to our navigation menu. So let's go to the navigation menu. This is what we're going to see at the header of our store and also at the footer. If we go on the header, you see how it says home, catalog, and contact. And if you look at the footer, it under quick links, it just says search. Now, if we come here on the main menu, you see that home, catalog, contact us. And on the footer, it says search. So we can edit this navigation menu. So I'm going to come here where it says home, catalog, and contact us. I can call it contact us. Apply changes. Catalog, you can hit on this. And it can be shop all. And shop all. And right here, this is where we can now add whatever we want to the navigation menu. For example, let's say we want to set a link that goes straight to the sets. So I can go here, go to collections and link it to the sets collection. Okay, and add it. I can go here as well and add like a bestseller or new arrival. Let's say we have a new arrival. This is where you're going to type in new arrival and you link it to the collection. So when you click here, we select on collections and then bestseller collection. Bestsellers, add, and then I can drag and move this around. Okay, contact us, sets, and this is it. So save menu, and it's done. If we reload this page and refresh, it's done. So I can make this not caps lock. Can go back here. I can actually just delete this shop all, remove. I want the sets. So whatever you want on your main menu, you can just add it here. And the same for the footer menu. Let's go back to the footer menu right now and go add our pages. So let's say we created other pages. Let's say I created an about us page. I'm going to click on add page and say about us. And you just leave it on default. You don't have to change this. Only when you're creating like a contact us page, that's when you switch this to contact and save. So if we go back to the navigation, I can come here to the footer menu, and where it says search, I can now add a menu item and about us and select pages, about us, add. And then I'm going to add the policy pages that I generated. Even though they're not showing on the pages section, they exist. So I can just click here. You see where it says policies, click on policies, then privacy policy, add. And then I'm going to add menu item. I don't even need to type the name. All I just need to do is click on link, go to policies, refund policy, add menu item, policies, and terms of service, add, and we're good to go. So all of this done in a matter of seconds, and let's say minutes, okay? And I have all my policy pages done. You can also use ChatGPT if you want to make something custom for you. Just prompt it properly and you should be good to go. Let's take a look at our website right now and see what it looks like with the policy pages. So I have the bestseller sets, contact us. Whatever you want to add on the top header, you can add it here. And scroll down, whatever, like I said, this is optional section. Quick links look nice. It's right here. We have the newsletter subscription already here. And we are literally good to go. All we have to do now is go back to the Shopify store and I can remove the password. Remove the password and hit save. Okay, and we are now in business. Before we head out of here, I can call this Chloe and Ali for metadata. This is for SEO. Chloe and Ali, and shop the best clothes in the market. Whatever, just random stuff. And then social sharing, image preview. I'm gonna add one of our pictures. Uploaded, and we are good to go. Save. Now the data can start showing and we can start running traffic to our store. But before then, you need to add some of the other apps that will help you convert people when they show up to your store. It's not all about having a good looking website, but also having the right tools that will help you convert visitors into actual paying customers. And we can cover that in the next videos on this channel. So if you have not hit that subscribe button, this is the time to do so you get notified whenever we drop a new video that can help you with your e-commerce journey. Let's go.